Welcome to Low Code, No Code. I would like to show you today an app I built to illustrate that for different areas and tasks, there are different solutions. In today's scenario, we are looking to an insurance company with the first of two use cases. First of all, we have an overview page with different options. In this case, I want to check my contracts with the insurance company. The exclamation mark here draws my attention to an investment. I have set up a savings plan here, which is already being paid out. I can now choose which payment method I would like to have. I've chosen the classic bank transfer. A message tells me there are alternatives. My alternatives are the payout, reinvesting in the same product, or reinvesting in an alternative product. If I choose to reinvest in the same product, I can select the details myself and have the final data displayed. The advantage here is that it is clearer and easier to understand than if I get a dozen papers sent home by post. Of course, the signature must not be missing. I've simulated it here. Afterwards, I can give feedback. This is possible if I connect Qualitrix, for example, then I can go directly into the evaluation and the analysis. Here I have a free space for writing and a scale where I can move the slider and write something in the field. I hope you like the use case. See you next time.